And welcome back to Pure Nebraska. In our Common Ground segment earlier, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson about the factors that go into a farmer's decision to sell grain. And now we have a recipe to share. Here is Paula and Taryn with a summer salad that is easy to make and very tasty.
All right, thank you, John. Yeah, this recipe sounds really good. I know you made it for your daughter's wedding?
Yep, we made it for the wedding. It's one of her and her husband's favorite salads. So
what's it called?
It's just a strawberry cheesecake salad.
Okay.
And I mean, it's very, very simple. We start with powdered cheesecake mix, and you can add the Cool Whip in.
Okay.
And then we add vanilla yogurt, and today I put strawberry yogurt in it too. But if that's just more for preference. You can do the yogurt.
Okay.
And I'll add mini marshmallows, and you do as many mini marshmallows as you want to taste. My grandkids like more marshmallows, the better.
I bet they do.
So that makes it really easy. And then you add the strawberries, and instead of strawberries, you could do blueberries if you wanted.
Whatever fruits in season,
Whatever
right?
fruits in season. And then I'm adding a little bit of bananas. And what I do with the bananas is I soak them in a little bit of orange juice first, and that's supposed to help keep them from browning. So you just mix it up, put it in your cup, and you're ready to go.
All right, and you want to get it mixed nicely.
Yeah,
so
because the cheesecake powder is in there, but that's really what helps make it thick and yummy. And
so if you're planning for a big event like a wedding,
right,
you probably had to make a lot of this.
And it's real easy to double and triple and quadruple.
Did you make it like a few days ahead and keep it in the fridge?
As long as you get the bananas going. And I have done it with just cherry pie filling, and then you don't have to worry about trying to keep it from turning brown.
Oh, what other fruit have you used?
I've only ever done the strawberries or a canned cherry pie filling.
And what kind of feedback do you get?
Oh, the kids love it. I mean, the kids absolutely love this. But
and
that should be good.
Think that's good?
Yeah, that should be good. And so we'll give you, and we'll probably,
ooh, great.
there you go.
Great. This looks really good.
So, and it's kind of healthy morning food. You know, yogurt, fruit.
Yeah, you're right. No, this is very good. I like it, Paula. This is already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, so you can copy it down there. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hope you like it.
Oh, I love salads for the summer. Back to you, John.